Hi, this is Gene from the Adobo Test Kitchen, and I'm here to show you how to make pork rib adobo deep fried. We're going to preheat the oven to 275. So these are St. Louis spare ribs that I trimmed. I removed the rib tips and also the skirt meat. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take out the membrane. So we do that by, actually you can do that by with your fingers, just using your fingers. Just get a good grip and it should come right off. Now what you want to do is you want to add some olive oil. We're going to use this as a binder. So we're adding this binder so the spices that we add are going to stick to the meat. Get both sides. So now we're going to season it with my adobo rub. This is equal parts kosher salt, ground pepper, and garlic powder. So we're just going to lightly season this. Okay, we're going to season the other side. Good. So now we're going to wrap the ribs in foil tightly. So we're going to put this in the oven meat side down. Now we're going to put the ribs in the oven and let it bake for about 3.5 hours. Alright, so it's been 3.5 hours. It's time to take the ribs out of the oven. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so this is super soft. This is ready to go. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to let this cool completely, and then we'll put it in the fridge and let it cool, preferably overnight. All right, so I let the ribs cool overnight. Once cold, it's easier to get to be sliced. Now you don't have to wait that long. But I suggest you first, when you get it out of the oven, let it cool for about 30 minutes, and then you can put in the fridge for leave it there for at least an hour, and then now you can slice it up. Okay, now we're going to dredge the ribs in about a cup of all-purpose flour, and this is just plain flour. It's not seasoned at all. So I always find it easier to use a container like this. Put the ribs in there, the flour in there, and just shake it up. So it's ready for the fryer. So now we're going to deep fry the ribs, and we got the oil set to about 350 degrees. All right, so we're going to carefully add ribs. Make sure you shake off all the excess flour from the ribs. And we're going to fry this for about 3 minutes until it's nice and golden brown. Okay, so we got the ribs out of the fryer, and now we're going to coat the ribs in adobo sauce. And add the sauce. And this is done. Alright, so now it's time for my favorite part, the eating part. Alright, let's check this out. This is good. This is really good. It's tender. It's got a nice flavor from the adobo sauce. Check it out. It's falling off the bone tender. Look at that. This is actually the first time I've tried it with the adobo sauce, deep fry with the adobo sauce. I used to deep fry it, and I would just add like Chinese 5-spice, or sometimes I'll wrap it with bacon and deep fry it. But this is the first time with the adobo sauce. This came out really well. So that's it. Deep fried pork rib adobo. Please make this at home and let me know what you think in the comments. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.